morning, everyone. Hope you're all doing well. Damn, this feels weird. I haven't picked up my camera in over 100 days. Been super busy with life, moving, and all that, but I finally found a house, but it's not ready until the end of the month. So I'm staying with my best friend in his basement until then. Alright, so my friends actually live near this little town called Paris. Some people in Ontario call it the prettiest little town. Let's go check it out. So I was thinking about driving there, but I think it'd be more fun to bike, so let's get the bike out of the garage. Alright, so here's the rig. Those curious what I've been doing with my spare but limited time, it's just a ton of biking. So yeah, I've just been absolutely killing it on this bike. I've made it a goal to bike at least 100 kilometers a week. I've even done a few 100-kilometer single rides. I plan to do a couple gravel races this summer and I'm just fully addicted again. But anyways, let's get on the trails and make it to Paris. Alright guys, so I'm all geared up. I got my heavy ass camera bag with me and we're on our way to Paris. We got about an 11-kilometer bike ride there, so let's get into it. We made it and it's hot, so let's get this gear off, let's get the drone in the sky and check out this beautiful town. Man, it is so hot. We're at this cool little baseball diamond here. It's pretty perfect to launch the drone, and I think the river with the cool scenery is just right over that tree line, so let's get the drone in there. Alright, so that first flight went well, super happy with it. We're gonna go bike over to a few other spots, get some shots at different locations, and I'm gonna get some shots with this big camera and zoom lens as well, so let's get into it. I gotta say though, this is the worst part about like running, gunning, and shooting around, is having to pack up all the gear, move to a next location. Since I don't have my car with me, I gotta transport it with the bike, and it's a little bit of a hassle, but it's definitely worth it. Alright, so we made it to the bridge here. I'm gonna pull out my long lens and shoot some B-roll, so enjoy. So I hope you enjoyed those shots from the bridge. This is definitely the highlight of Paris, and the main tourist attraction is this bridge with these beautiful buildings that kind of look like Europe. It reminds me like I'm back in Sweden, but I'm gonna show you the main strip and the rest of the town, so let's get into it.
I told Adam, I already told him.
Alright, so that's a brief overview of what the town of Paris looks like. It's a beautiful town. It kind of looks like Europe, but I'm getting hungry, so I'm gonna go head back to the house and get some lunch in me. I'm really excited I picked up the camera again. I hope to be more consistent with these videos, but if you made it this far, please leave a like and subscribe. Until next time.